Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into flue. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Flue, which means a duct for smoke and waste gases produced by a fire, a gas heater, a power station, or other fuel-burning installation. Number 1. Funnel, which means a metal chimney on a ship or steam engine. Funnel. For example, smoke was pouring from the funnel. Number 2. Inlet, which means a place or means of entry. Inlet. For example, an air inlet. Number 3. Shaft, which means a long, narrow, typically vertical hole that gives access to a mine, accommodates a lift in a building, or provides ventilation. Shaft. For example, the main shaft was impassable. Number 4. Vent, which means an opening that allows air, gas, or liquid to pass out of or into a confined space. Vent. For example, inside the tent are 2 funnel-shaped air vents. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.